about 6 months ago, Simon and I both were looking at doing a different gearbox conversion for our cars. Simon came up with the idea to do a DCT swap after doing a lot of research. After us both buying gearboxes without knowing what we were going to do, we started researching what adapter kit we were going to work with. After a lot of research, Simon decided that DomiWorks was the way to go after what the quality of the parts looked like. So we approached Daniel, he's a great bloke, had a really good conversation and ended up sorting out setup with his adapter kit. Simon's been the test guinea pig and started off by installing in his car. So Simon, how did the kit go together and how easy was it to install?
Yep, so all the parts that we ordered for my car and Landon are pretty much what you see here. So came with the adapter plate, the drive hub assembly, and then all the componentry to make it work. So first of all, I was really impressed with the quality of the adapter plate. It's pretty much second to none. So the CNC work on that is absolutely unreal. So it went together as expected. Like, it was a bolt-on kit. There was no modifications whatsoever required. I was really impressed with the instruction manual as well. It tells you which bolts go where, which compared to some of the kits on the market, you don't really get that.
Yeah.
So yeah, that sort of thing was really good.
And everything was there, you didn't have to buy any extra stuff?
No, everything's included. You don't have to buy any extra bits and pieces, so really happy with that. With the wiring side of things, so I decided that for simplicity side of things, it's probably going to be easier just to get the DomiWorks supplied wiring harness to try and make it as plug and play as possible.
Yep.
So we bought the wiring harness, again, really good quality concentric twisted wiring harness with Autosport Motorsport connectors. So again, makes it really quick and easy. So the wiring diagram for this kit is very straightforward, easy to interpret. And we then commissioned Declan from Garage 7 to carry out the install of the circuit board and wire all the gearboxes as well. So his quality of work was amazing, and it just made a good quality kit plus quality workmanship work together hand in hand. So there's some pictures of that we'll include, and yeah, a few other little bits and pieces like the park brake lockout and the oil cooler relocator block or feed block.
Allows you to run lines to the front.
Yeah, so in my case, I ran the line to the back. I've got the trans cooler in the boot, but again, really good quality part. Bolts on, makes it easy to do whatever you want.
Good quality components.
Yeah.
So the first outing for the car with all the parts on it was round 2 of our state series, where Simon, myself, a few others did ride with a pro. So it was a really good test for the car, lots of laps, lots of stress on all the components. How'd it go?
Yeah, it went really well, Landon. First outing to be expected, there were some teething issues. No problems whatsoever with all the componentry installed, so that was all fine. No issues with the wiring. Just a few little teething issues trying to make it all work, but overall for a first outing it was really, really impressive. Got a lot of feedback and a lot of people talking about the conversion. Obviously for people in Australia it's a very unheard of sort of thing. So I expect in the near future popularity of this particular conversion will start going through the roof. So yes, I believe that DomiWorks is working on a supply agreement with Garage 7. So if you're looking at doing a dual clutch transmission swap in your street car, track car, drift car, whatever you want, this would be a kit to go for, and Garage 7 would be the place to get it from. So